Alright, what's up guys? Little video here, gotta do some explaining, and then I found my old login to the Japanese auction, so I spent way too much money on 8.6 parts, so then we'll unbox those. So first off, Noah, where's the videos? So we had exams, and then Christmas. In the weather, there's snow outside. We usually don't get snow, so that kind of screwed the boys. But yeah, so Noah actually moved away. 12 hours drive and a 2-hour ferry ride that way. Like what? So yeah, his parents bought a house in Calgary, Alberta, and so Noah moved there with him. He'll probably be moving back in a few months. So for now, check out the new merch. Link in the description. Maybe help out with the money I waste on these 8.6 parts. But yeah, so that's where Noah is. We're hopping right back into the 8.6. Engine bay's almost ready for primer. Then it'll be ready for paint. Then we'll refresh the K, throw it in, do a bunch of body work, get the car painted, and then do the interior. So lots of exciting stuff. Also, hopefully purchasing a new car in the next 1 or 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. For this unboxing, look at this bubbly. Really didn't stand up to the elements, but we don't discriminate. Look at that. Alright, we got this absolutely long dick style box here. There's a wing. Ooh. Should be a wing in here, but there's something rattling around, which is concerning. Ooh! I think it's a Hatchwing. Looks absolutely it was the cheapest one, so. Oh, ugh. This thing's got disease! Look at that! But yeah, so this is a OEM Hatchwing. I couldn't find one in Canada. Or maybe there was some, but no one would sell them to me, which is very rude. But, see, it's got all like this peeling. It's got like 10 layers of paint, as you can see in there. But that doesn't matter because we're gonna refinish it. But should we see if it fits? Daddy? Sorry, Daddy? I'm stoked on this though. I've wanted one of these for a minute. There was a guy in my town who had one, but he wouldn't sell it, so you. Yeah, I don't know. I wish this would stay on so I could get some angles. Yeah, so there's what the wing will look like. It'll obviously get restored. There's just kind of like a little Hatchwanger. It's got the keyhole cut out. Ooh! Me like! I'm stoked on that. Then we got this big box with some trinkets in it. And then, I guess I might as well get into this now. The 8.6 currently has this busted ass fake bride in it. We don't like that, so on Marketplace this seat came up. Never heard of it before, but thought it looked pretty cool. It is a RA300C. Just like a classic old school bucket seat, but look at the back. Isn't that cool? So yeah, this thing's pretty busted, but it was super cheap, so we're gonna do a restoration on that. Do some sewing, and then restore the color, make it black. There's my stout seats. And then, the wheels for the 8.6. Now, these wheels were super cheap because all the specs were listed on the auction sheet, except for the diameter. So I didn't know if they were 13s or 14s. I could see they weren't 15s, but with the help of Ben, we secured them and they're here. So these wheels are in terrible shape. They're also really weak specs, but once we get the flares on the 8.6, we'll be able to measure it up for lips and order some lips and rebuild these. So get excited for the wheel restoration. But here they are. 14 by 7, 14 by 6.5 inch long champs. Forget the offset. Only 2 of them came with center caps, but probably not going to run them anyway. But yeah, we'll be rebuilding, widening, restoring these for the 8.6. Alright, so in this big box, not really parts or anything specific, but kind of trinkets and a special project we will work on. So let's get into it. Oh, alright, there's a bunch of boxes within this box. Oh, shit. Alright, already I see stuff I totally forgot I bought. So, first item, Broadway mirror by Napolex. It's a 300mm by 75mm flat mirror. Brand new. I love a good Broadway in a car. If you don't have Broadway in your car, you're blowing it. Some of these bitches are so wide you can see out the side windows of your car. Another Broadway mirror. So, this one is a chrome plating mirror. This one's aluminum plating mirror. This one's also 300 by 70mm flat mirror. I don't know what the difference between the chrome and the aluminum. Oh, the chrome looks kind of like it's darker, like the reflection. Don't remember what I bought, so pit work bulb. I know I didn't buy any bulbs. I'm gonna tape this hoe up. Ooh. Oh yeah, so impulse shift knob. Focus on that. I always see people in like ASMR videos showing what they're about to eat that's super crunchy. Oh. Yeah, so this is a Nissan thread pitch. It's a little impulse shift knob. It was way too expensive too. I don't even like these shift knobs, but I don't know why I bought that either. It's probably way too much money too. But yeah, it needs a polish, but some scratches in it that'll come out. Yeah. And I was just bidding on a bunch of stuff and then won a bunch of stuff, and I was like, so much regret when the shipping quote comes out and it's like, ooh, this is actually something I'm very excited about. So there's these model kits by Aoshima called Aoshima The Wheel. They are a single wheel. They come with a rack too. You can see there's some of the wheels. I was bidding on an Advan A3A, but it got way too expensive. Oh yeah, so here's all the wheels. They have like an A3A, SSR Formula Mesh, Focus Racing wheel, Riverside R104. There's the different wheels. Yeah, so this is a model kit. Maybe we should open it. But these are really expensive. They're quite rare. I don't know what year they were made in. Yeah, so maybe if you guys pick up some merch, I can finish my $1,000 micro wheel collection. Link in bio. Come on. Yeah, so this is 1/6 scale. Fashionable collection series, The Wheel. Oh yeah, there's all the pieces. Hopefully I can mount the face backwards so we get some more dish, because these are kind of pinner specs. Ooh! Oh, it's bigger than I thought it'd be. There it is, 1/6 scale. This is so cool. So almost worth the money. So you got the barrel, the lip, the face, center cap, and then the rack. Here's all the pieces for the rack that it sits on. And then there's like some little screws and maybe some like grease or oil or something in there. Whoa. Too bad I can't read Japanese and can't read English. Okay, so these are two 13-inch single wheels. Single wheels are super cheap, obviously, because what are you gonna do? Put one wheel in your car? So Ben has a 13-inch Longchamp single, and so we decided for ultimate decor, because me and Ben like wasting extreme amounts of money on decor, that we would buy really deep lips for these to match our really deep single watts. So these are 13-inch by like 6.5, and we're gonna buy probably 7 or 8-inch lips, and then restore the faces of the wheels, put the lips on, and then have cool display wheels. For reference, this single wheel, this real wheel, is about the same price as the Aoshima the wheel, so that's unfortunate. Alright, first wheel for the display wheel collection is a Mark II. It's not in bad shape. We'll obviously need to restore it. We'll paint the faces and then throw the huge lips on these. And they should be about, I don't know, 13 by 13 would be cool. Little square setup. The second wheel. What's going on with this box? SSR Mark III. This one came with the center cap, although it's absolutely beat. But this will be another one that gets widened to about 13 by 13. So yeah, excited. Get excited for that. So yeah, now we have 6 wheels to restore and widen. I gotta build this. And then we have the seat we'll restore for the 86, and then the wing that will be restored for the 86 as well. So yeah, if you want to support buying expensive garbage from Japan, merch link down below. Super fire, look at that. Oh, almost knocked over my mesh. You see the silhouette? So soft and comfy too. But yeah, comment down below. Tell them no to come back or f off. Either way. And please subscribe, comment, like the video. And maybe I'll buy some more junk, depending on if you guys pick up some merch and fund it. But yeah, get excited for more 86 videos. Get excited for some restoration videos, seat and the wheels and stuff. Get excited for a new car. Yeah, we're gonna be doing 2 videos a week, back to that schedule. Obviously, even though Noah moved away, he's still fully part of the company, 50-50. He's just doing a lot of the online stuff, like editing the videos and most of the design work for merch and stuff. So yeah, comment down below, like the video, and otherwise frog off.
The boys will try to hit 10 million K up on that YouTube. The best content that nobody subscribes to. Too witty